Today we're going to make the delicious Thai basil stir fry known as pad kapow. Pad kapow can be made with ground beef, ground pork, shrimp, or what we're using today, ground chicken. First, let's make the stir fry sauce. Now we're using oyster sauce. Be sure to get oyster sauce and not oyster flavored sauce. One dish that keeps coming up time and time again is pad kapow. It's not just a meal in Thailand. It's the go-to comfort food, the quick lunch, the late night craving. It's everywhere. From busy streets, stalls in Bangkok to home kitchens in the countryside. Pad kapow is kind of like Thailand's version of a burger or a grilled cheese. Simple, satisfying, and deeply personal. Everyone has their own version. Some make it with pork, others with chicken or beef. The one thing that stays the same is that unmistakable flavor. The heat from the chilies, the fragrance of garlic, and the peppery punch of holy basil. And here's what I loved about it. It's bold. Thai food doesn't shy away from flavor. It embraces balance. Spicy, salty, a little sweet, all in one bite. That's something I've been learning as I explore Thai cooking. It's not just about technique. It's about respecting that balance and intention behind every dish. Pad kapow also reflects Thai values. It's fast. It's humble. It's made with what's on hand, but it never compromises on flavor. It's food with soul. So for me, making pad kapow isn't just about cooking. It's about learning, appreciating, and honoring a culture that leads with flavor, balance, and heart in every dish. Thai food can be very spicy. So when ordering, if you don't want spice, you can say, my ao pet, my ao pet. That means you don't want spice. But there still may be some chilies in Thai food because it's always so spicy. So if you want no chilies at all, say, my ao prick, my ao prick. That means no chilies. Pad kapow is more than just a spicy stir fry. At its heart is holy basil, known in Thai as bai kapow. This isn't the same basil you find in Italian dishes. Holy basil is bold, peppery, slightly bitter, and intensely aromatic. In Thai cuisine, it's believed to have medicinal properties, used in traditional remedies to boost circulation, fight infections, and clear the mind. So when it lands in a wok, it's not just an ingredient. It brings heat, healing, and heritage. Pad kapow itself has humble origins. It started as a quick working class meal, something a vendor or home cook could throw together with what was available. A protein, garlic, chilies, a splash of seasonings, and always a handful of holy basil tossed in at the end to brighten it all up. The kai dao, or crispy fried egg, isn't just a topping, it's tradition in Thailand. Pad kapow is almost always served with a fried egg on top. The edges are lacy and golden, the yolk still running. When you break it over the hot rice and spicy stir fry, it cools the heat and enriches the dish with this silky golden richness. It's the perfect balance. I can testify. The crispy fried egg definitely sends this dish over the top. I must admit, I love crispy fried egg. Aroy. This is delicious. Aroy ding ding. This is very delicious. If you're on your way to Thailand, leave me a heart emoji in the comments. What's your favorite type of Pad Kapow. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm happy to hear from you. Let me know what type of Thai recipe you'd like to see next. Pad Kapow can be made with ground beef, shrimp, chicken, beef, shrimp. What is it?